Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor Oji. Buksan po natin ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Ephesians, chapter 3, verse 19. Ito pong pagkasabi, that you may be filled with all the fullness of God. Our topic for this morning is much in between. May mga lugar po sa bansa natin sa Pilipinas na in between yan, hindi mo talaga mai-enjoy, no? But remember this, in our journey with God, hindi po boring ang in-between natin, no? Yung kalagitan. God desires to give us a marvelous beginning with salvation and a great ending in glory with much in between. It doesn't simply ends with salvation. Nung binaptize tayo sa pangalan ni Jesus, hindi po doon nagtapos ang lahat sa ating kaligtasan. Bagkus, it's just a beginning. At yung ending din natin, hindi po boring, no? Papunta doon sa kaligtasang ino-offer sa atin ng Panginoon. There's a lot in between. Mula nung iligtas tayo hanggang sa pagbabalik ng ating Panginoon upang tayo'y kunin sa kanyang kaharian. Ito po mga kapatid ay hindi po boring na lifestyle. Ang pagiging Kristiyano ay hindi po boring because God has filled us with the fullness of God in between in our salvation, no? In the race that we are facing today. Last point po. A life given fully to God becomes a God-filled life. Kung ang buhay natin, ilalagak lang natin sa Panginoon, ibibigay lang natin sa Panginoon, pupunuin po yan ng Panginoon. Wala pong empty spaces sa ating paglilingkod sa Panginoon. There's too much in between. No, maasahan po natin that God will fill us with His joy during our journey in this Christian life. God bless po at magandang